my geniuses. How are you doing? How are you doing today? I am fine. Thank you for asking. Okay, guys, guess what? Today I have another new and exciting lesson for you. So, we've been looking at nouns, right? And we did say that nouns are naming words. They identify people, places, animals, and things. We have also started looking at pluralizing nouns. And we also said that one is singular, but more than one is plural. To change some nouns from being singular to plural, we add s. We also looked at those that end with x, sh, ch, and changing those by adding es. Also, those that end with ss, right? So today we are continuing with those. And now we are looking at those that end with y. And my geniuses, you are going to enjoy this. If a noun ends with y and a consonant is before the y. So luckily I taught you consonants, right? Because you know exactly what consonants are. If a noun ends with y and there's a consonant before it, what you'll do is you'll change the y to I like magic, right? And then you are going to add es, okay? So you'll change that y to I and then you will add es to form the plural, all right? And it's right here for you, just in case you want to read it. All right, let's go, no problem. So if a noun ends with y, and a consonant is before the y, change the y to I and add es to form the plural. And my geniuses, I made sure that I have some here for you. However, there is an important part that states if there is a vowel before the y though, all you have to do is add s. You got that, right? So if there's a consonant before the y, you'll change the y to I and you'll add es. But if it's a vowel, and luckily you know your vowels and your consonants, but just in case you need a refresher's course, just go back to my previous videos, okay? So go to my previous videos, all right? Yes. So if there is a vowel before the y, all you have to do, my geniuses, is add s. Let us look at these. So baby, what is before the y? Is it a vowel or a consonant? So that's the first thing you'll do. You'll underline the letter that comes before the y, all right? So let's just go ahead and do all of these so that it's easier for you, okay? So once you're pluralizing nouns and they end with y, you'll just underline the letter before the y, and then you'll determine whether or not it's a vowel or a consonant. If it is a consonant, then you'll have to change that y to I like magic, and then you add es, right? But if it is a vowel, then all you have to do is add s. You got that, right? Good. So here we have baby. Is this a vowel or a consonant? Right. Ding, 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 ding. It is a consonant. So what you do is you throw away that y. So this becomes B-A-B. Like magic now. This y becomes I. See there? And then you will add es. Beautiful. See the magic? Oh yes, you saw that. So because it ends with a because there's a consonant before the y, then you change the y to I and you add the es. Beautiful job. All right, let's look at this one. Consonant or vowel? You're right if you said consonant. So we're going to change this. You are going to do these for me, right? Right? Let us find one with a vowel before the y. And here we have boy over here, right? So since this is a vowel right here, what would you do? And if you said just add S, you are correct, my geniuses. So all we have to do is add S. Beautiful. So this boy here becomes boys. And then you add the S, right? Good job. So now what you're going to do for me is, for these, I want to see you put them in the comment box for me. So you are going to pluralize these nouns for me, taking into consideration the rules, okay? Now, let us look at those ending with F and FE. What will we do? Let's see. Okay, my geniuses. Now, if a singular noun ends in F or FE, change the F or FE to V and add ES to form its plural. All right? So once a singular noun ends with F or FE, you're going to change that F or FE to V and add ES. All right? Let us look at these. So here we have thief. One thief, but several thieves. Beautiful. And this is how you do it, right? So you're going to change it, the F here, because it ends with F, right, to V, and then you'd add the ES. Trying to find some space on my, can I change it? Okay, I'll erase the top for you, right? You got this, right? You got that? Okay. Okay, good. So this is thief. Now the THIE. Instead of that F though, you'll change it to V, and then you'll add what? What will you add? ES. Beautiful. So one thief, but several thieves went into the clothing store. All right, we have one wolf was running in the park, but then it called its family and there were several wolves. So remember, instead of the F, you'll change that to V, and then you will add your ES, like magic, okay? Got that? I'm doing one more for you. Now, wife. So it ends with FE. See that? It ends with FE. Look at this. FE. So instead of the FE, you're going to change it to V, and then you add what? ES. Beautiful, my geniuses. Beautiful job. ES. So it become wives. And in Africa, men are allowed to have several wives. Yes, in Africa, men are allowed to have several wives. Or I could say in some culture, men are allowed to have several wives. All right, so there I did 3 for you. Now I am going to call these, and what you will do for me is you are going to pluralize these in your journals for me. So all these are nouns, right? And you are going to pluralize them based on the rules. Now, we have thief, shelf, leaf, elf, wolf, wife, loaf, scarf, hoof, self. All right, so I'll go again. Thief, shelf, leaf, elf, wolf, wife, loaf, scarf, hoof, self, right? Good. So you will pluralize those for me. I did 3 for you already. So I did 3, you will do the rest. Now here are 4 sentences for you to pluralize one of these words and put on each sentence. So you'll pluralize the answer that matches to complete each sentence, okay? Several dash broke into the bank. So which of these would you put on the line? Several dash broke into the bank. Remember, you must pluralize it before putting it on the line to complete the sentence, okay? Number 2, I had 2 dash of bread in the kitchen. I had 2 dash of bread in the kitchen. Now, what would it be from here? Again, remember to pluralize it. Number 3, 2 dash are usually seen with Santa. You know that one, don't you? 2 dash are usually seen with Santa. Beautiful. Select one of these, pluralize it, put it on the line. And the next one, the dash fell from the tree after the storm. Which of these could you pluralize that would fall from a tree after a storm? Well, my geniuses, we've come to the end of another lesson. I hope that you enjoyed it. I enjoyed teaching it. Now, guys, I want to thank you for subscribing to Reading Unlimited with Kadian. I want to thank you for watching those videos. I want to thank you for liking and commenting. And for my regular visitors, if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Guys, remember to hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know once I upload videos or I go live, right? And for my lives, I have giveaways, and it's 3 o'clock on a Saturday. So it's 3 p.m. on a Saturday, Eastern Standard Time. So wherever you are in the world, just log on at that time, okay? And you just might be lucky. Now, guys, I hope you've been looking in that mirror. I hope you've been telling yourself you're amazing, you're gorgeous, you're superb, you're splendid. Be kind to you. But in so doing, be kind to others. And if you have nothing good to say about people, please say absolutely nothing at all. Have yourselves a great day. Bye.